Now is the greatest time to start an automotive glass tinting business. We are about to enter a monumental economic boom, and now is the time to get prepared, to get your ducks in a row, as they say. If you have been lurking around the internet, feeling compelled to start a side hustle, make a career change, start a small business, or even add automotive glass tinting to your already existing business, there could not be a better time. We have been through a horrible dark period for the last several years, and there is a light at the end of the tunnel. The good news is that consumer confidence is about to return, and people will again freely begin to spend money on things they enjoy, and they enjoy window tinting. Window tinting is actually a very resilient business. All through the last 4 years, my shop has remained busy, and that's great. But the massive profits were not there, and that is about to change. The country is about to open back up in a big way, so now is the time to get going if you've been considering it. There is a shortage of skilled installers, and always has been. Let's face it, the local community college does not offer an automotive glass tinting program, and by all means, they should. Glass tinting is commonplace today. I have been in the glass tinting industry for the last 30+ years. Through good times and bad, I can smell the winds of change in the air now. Car sales will begin to pick up as we head into 2025, and that means all vehicle-related businesses will see a heavy increase in sales, so the time is right for you to jump in the game. There's plenty of business to go around, and that's why a glass tinter can make hundreds of dollars per hour when doing quality work and selling the right film that commands that profit level. I can share all that with you later. This is one of the greatest businesses you can start. The cost to start can be very affordable. A cheap tool pouch, some film, and grandma's garage were all it took for me, and you can do the same. You can start by doing work on family and friends' cars to get some experience. With the right system, you will be producing quality professional level work in a short time. I'm talking days or weeks. This means you can start seeing a side income very quickly. Easy Tint Framework is our proprietary system for training new tinters. Easy Tint Framework is a step-by-step duplicatable system designed to help you go from beginner to pro in the fastest time possible so that you can get your first customer in 30 days or less. Here is what is different from every other training system out there. We have created the Tint Academy Easy Tint Framework ebook, and in this ebook, what we have done is broken the entire tinting system down into still shots of every step in the process of glass tinting, with a detailed explanation of each step, bringing every thought a new glass tinter should have in his mind during the process. No one has ever taken this approach before. What this does is allow a new tinter to use the Easy Tint Framework like a set of pre-made building blocks that allows you to effortlessly assemble a quality tint job. This makes the process so simple that anyone who tries can do it. Many people have tried to tint windows before and ultimately failed because they were missing these simple, critical steps to building a quality job. That's the way I want people to think of it, as if you are simply compiling these simple steps and building a quality tint job. I know it's counterintuitive to our thinking. We normally don't think of tinting glass in these terms. This cutting-edge system allows you to accelerate through the learning curve to produce high-end tinting work that you can charge competitive pricing for as fast as possible. Now, I know it's a tall claim, but we have seen people who are serious about learning go from beginner to pro in less than 30 days when the Easy Tint Framework system is followed step by step. We want to make this promise to you that if you spend the time reviewing the steps and take in the information, from the time you begin doing hands-on work, you can have your first paying customer done and put cold hard cash in your pocket within 30 days. Now let me give you the testimony of one of my students, John D. John owned a detail shop and also had an eBay sticker business. He thought it would be a great idea to purchase a small glass tinting operation that was going out of business in his local area. His plan was to have his son do the glass tinting portion, as he had just graduated from high school and had no motivation to go to college. His son enjoyed working with his dad from time to time, but really was not serious about working full-time. John figured the business would motivate his son to be more serious about working full-time, and he hoped that the idea that the business was his would cause him to take ownership of this glass tinting service, causing him to do his part in the family business. It didn't work. His son actually took no interest at first in the new business. He felt pressured by the sudden responsibility of learning this new skill and actually never began to show up regularly at the shop. Now, this had become a real problem for John. He had this new business with customers calling wanting to schedule appointments, and once the previous owner of the glass tinting shop was out of the picture, he had no help and no one to do the work. This was when John was searching the internet and found the Tint Academy Easy Tint Framework ebook. He downloaded the ebook and got busy studying the content. He had no other choice but to make this work. He already spent the money on the business, and it was either learn to tint or lose all the money he had invested. Losing the money was not an option for this self-employed guy. He hired another local tinter while he studied and practiced the Easy Tint Framework system. In 30 days, John was doing side windows at a professional level because of the Easy Tint Framework system. He relied a little too long on the hired tinter, so he was not doing back windows on his own till about the 60-day mark, but if he had to, he certainly would have been. John was able to take this system and use the techniques taught and step-by-step build high-quality tint jobs. Inside of 6 months, he was handling the entire workflow of a busy tint shop all on his own at the age of 44. This is a predicament that not many will find themselves in. If you are looking to make changes and you are willing to make the effort, in 30 days you can be doing full cars and making money in this awesome business. With the right film, you can charge $300 to $500 for a tint job. Let's say you do one per week to be conservative. That's an extra $1,200 to $2,000 per month. How would that change things for you for the better? Glass tinting is an awesome business that is very affordable to start. For a few $100s, you can be on your way to making extra money, a career change, starting a new business, or adding this fantastic service to your already established automotive business. And with the Easy Tint Framework system guiding the way, the future is bright. The best part about this system is the Tint Academy Easy Tint Framework ebook is free, and you can have a copy right now. Just hit the link in the description and download a copy now.